fellas, ladies and gentlemen. Going on a ride to a car show. Molly Percocet. We're going to a car show. I think it's in Pomona. So stay tuned for the ride, guys. Smash that like button, guys. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. It's nice and gloomy today. It feels good. It feels good being out. She goes getting embarrassed. Unas troquillas ahí slammed to the ground. Damn, this one's super drop. Copyright music. Copyright music.
What?
Copyright music. That shit's fucking loud. I like this one better, Monty. Classic Volkswagen. Look at the interior. Yeah, that's nice. Super nice. And then you got a little tricycle in the back. Look at it. That's pretty cool just to have at home. Then we got the jigs. This airbrush, this is cool. I remember this shit being a kid, and they used to make these. That shit's back early 90s.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
If you guys know about these, comment down below. And this shit got hella speakers. Que sirvan, quién sabe. And then they got the magazines, old school magazines they probably came out on. Yep. They came out on these magazines. That's right. Oh, see, we gotta get these LA shots right here. LA. Little 76 ball. I like this one. It's nice. Simple. If you guys know the year, comment down below. This is an 88. 88. Because it says right here, look. Made in 10/88. That's crazy. So I gave you guys the year. Shout outs to illegal Ryderz. Old little jigs here. Illegal Ryderz.
Whoa.
They got little games going on over there. So we're gonna wrap up today's video. Got a few more trucks. I mean, nothing too crazy. Everybody has their own taste of cars, trucks, and styles. Me personally, I'm more like a classic guy. Like, just fix it up, don't do anything to it. Unless it's a lowrider, you can put hydraulics, but that's about it. It's just sick. Nice and simple. Oh, this one here? It's clean. Yeah, this one's nice too. La Combi. 61 Combi. Look at the windows, how they open up. The front ones.
I like that one.
Look at the doors, how they open up too. It's clean. Oh, this one's fucking sick. This one, but with that gray color, like that Volkswagen, but in this. This one in the Dub Show. Car 3rd annual off-road. Sick red little car show. Not my type of style of cars, but just something out here with the brothers.
Boy, if you don't...
Anyways guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Something random, little car show slash little ride. If you guys like the video, make sure you guys smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are new. Again, 90% of you guys watching are not subscribed. It doesn't cost you a thing. If you guys like our videos, show support. If you guys don't, that's totally fine. Don't subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Everybody out there, ride safe. Peace.